Okay, so we got 10.2 here, and we're going to discover a few sneaky shortcuts with exponents. One of them is called the product powers property. So anyway, to discover these sneaky little tricks, we're going to start by doing things the slow way. Let's rewrite some powers, some exponents, in repeated multiplication form. So 2 to the second power, I know that's just 2 times 2 times 2 to the fourth power. Okay, so 2 to the fourth power is 2 times itself 4 times. So this is times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Well, altogether we can see this is 2 times itself 6 times. It's the same thing as 2 to the 6th power. Let's go ahead and do that one more time. We got negative 3 to the second power. That's negative 3 times negative 3. There's negative 3 to the second power times negative 3 to the fourth power. Negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. I can see this is really just negative 3 times itself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So this would be negative 3 to the 6th power. So at this point, I would ask you to pause and do your best to fill out this diagram on your own. And then I want you to see if you can see any trick to go from this column all the way to this column without actually needing to look at this repeated multiplication form. So maybe you can find a sneaky little trick. Okay, here we are after the diagram has been filled out. So what is the sneaky trick here? Well, it turns out that, here's the grand finale. It turns out that if you're multiplying two different powers that have the same base, notice the base is the same in each of these. Remember, the base is the bigger number and the exponent is the little number up top. If the base is the same, the sneaky trick is you can just keep the same base and just add the exponents together. 2 plus 4 is 6. Do you see that? There's a sneaky trick. When I write it in repeated multiplication form, I just end up with the sum of the two exponents. 2 plus 4 is 6. Well, I got 6. So there is the sneaky little trick. Thanks for playing. If I go down here, I can write that as an algebra rule. So you can see right here we're multiplying two powers with a base of a. So I know that I just have to add these exponents together. So this is a to the m times a to the n is just a to the m plus n. Okay, well, there you go, guys. That is, oh, by the way, we call that the product property. The product property, because product means multiplying. So the product property is if I multiply powers with the same base, then I need to add the exponents. That is the product property, y'all. Thanks for playing.